Today we will talk about a gorgeous flowering plant, Cosmos, one of the easiest flowers to grow from seeds for your summer and monsoon garden. They require very little care and they add colors to your garden along with attracting many birds and butterflies as well. They look like daisy flowers and belongs to sunflower family and it's native to Mexico. They come in many shades like yellow, orange and reds, and as I said earlier, they attract birds and butterflies to your garden. Their flowering season starts from summers and they keep blooming till winters. Once the flower dries up, they produce black color seeds and you can collect these seeds and grow plants very easily. You can grow them in pots and containers in your garden anywhere. All it needs is full sunlight and water. The plant becomes invasive once grown in garden as its seeds are self-sowing. As they keep on shedding after drying up and grow many more plants around. You can directly sow the seeds in garden or you can prepare seedlings in pots. Later you can shift them to the garden at full sunlight areas. You can grow them in just garden soil as well, no need to prepare a special potting mix. That means they grow in poor soil conditions as well. Best time to sow their seeds is February to April, that is spring to early summers, and they start blooming from summers till early winters. The germination takes about 7 to 10 days and they start flowering between 50 to 60 days itself. Once your seedlings are about 3 to 4 inches big, separate them, divide them to different pots or transfer them to your garden. That's all for today. See you soon with another amazing video. Bye bye.